Hi, I'm doing another unboxing for you, and it's light up your life. It's a light thing, light message, and I bought this from House of Fraser, and I want you to have a look what I've got inside. So I'm actually opening the box right. I don't know if you can see it. I'm opening it up. You see smiley faces. Smiley faces. Can you see smiley faces? Yeah, and oh, that's what's in the box, and this is the light. So I'm just opening it up. It's like Christmas. Getting it, you get all excited for getting it, and I think there's some instructions and things like that. But that's light, and it's gold. Wow, and it's got like a USB and switch. Let's see what it's got here. Now I have to unscrew it. So that's what I have. I'll show you what it looks like when I come back. There you go. It does light up. It's just that I need to plug into a proper socket for it to light up. And if you can see my face, you can see my face. So these things, so I'm going to put them here. So you can't really see it because it's backwards. But I know that you can read it.